Yeah, so it's a nice day outside. That's why I'm sitting out here. May not be the best camera angle, but it's warm and it's sunny, and my dog can run around and be an idiot. So if you ever need a little tray for some oil that you don't want to mess up something nicer, just flatten the can and use the bottom. Makes this nice little concave or concave, I think it's concave, dish. And what I'm going to first do is treat it with some of this, you may not be able to see it, Master Blaster. It's a good metal treatment. It'll soak in and it won't take off the rust, but it'll soak into the metal and start protecting it from moisture. So that's a good thing. And it'll loosen up the scale too. So another reason for doing this outside, I have much better ventilation out here. And this will evaporate faster because I'm in the sun. Let me put that off to the side. Grab a little bit of steel wool in this, but just a little piece of steel wool. Dip it in the oil and just gently burnish that. See how much of that rust I can get off. Hopefully the camera's not shaking too much because I am on my little outdoor patio table and I'm redoing my patio, so I'm kind of in the construction zone a little bit here, so it's starting to look better. Let that soak for a few minutes and I'll work on this one. This is one I was having more problems with. It's got a couple things in it. There's probably somebody out there that'll tell me don't do this. Well, again, I'm a college student, but I'm also spent a lot of time in the fire service treating hand tools. Somewhere in the middle is probably the right answer on how to clean these up. But I haven't really seen anybody share that information yet. Haven't even really found video on how to properly use these. It's just kind of one of those things, you just have to do it. And you can feel the nicks in your copper plate as you're working on them. And trust me, there's a lot of them in my Ode to Joy plate. That's actually cleaning up pretty nice. Right about there, you can see how much better looking that is. And most of the roughness is right here. Not exactly the working area, but it bugs me just the same. Just trying to feel for any pits along the edge. It's feeling a lot better now. Let's see how this one is. Yeah, it's a lot better than what it was. So, hope that helps, and talk later. I got more work to do on my plate.